Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to flip to landscape here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Flipping a design to landscape orientation in Canva is a straightforward process that can serve practical and aesthetic purposes once you're logged into your account. I'm going to be working with a social media and I'm looking with the Instagram Reels. That is by default, it's going to be a portrait orientation. I'm going to click on the create a blank Instagram Reel, and then in this case, I'm going to upload an image. Right now, alongside the image right here, I'm gonna upload a video as well. I'm gonna be choosing this one right here, and I'm gonna be choosing another video, say maybe the ocean right here. Gonna max it out. Now I wanted this specific design change to landscape. How we can do that? There's two options. One is, all I have to do is click on the resize button here. You see, you can resize your design into whatever format you need. For example, if you wanted to change it to the Facebook landscape, you can do that, or you can choose as a custom size. Obviously, you can choose the landscape orientation that you prefer. Now, if we go to the Facebook landscape, what will happen is the resizing option is only applicable to the Pro subscription, right? If you click on the try it for 30 days, what will happen is, you see that? You need to try the Canva Pro for free if you haven't already. And that would automatically make you an easier option to resize the design. But if you have all of the resources, another option, if you don't want to upgrade to the Canva Pro, all I'm gonna do is go to file again, create a new design. In this case, we're going to choose the Facebook cover or landscape. We would be forwarded here in this section right here. I'm going to go to the upload section earlier. I'm gonna click that. And of course, I'm going to the video again. I'm going to choose the lady right here, plus the ocean. All right. And it's up to you how you can be creative. Drag all of the elements together so they can form a seamless and cohesive design. Click on play to make sure that you have all that in place. Now, switching to a landscape can improve the visual flow and help your design stand out depending on the purpose. Because landscape layouts can be more appropriate for certain types of documents, like, like this one right here, where the information is spread out horizontally. And it's usually used for website banners, headers, or hero images, allowing for a visually appealing wide layout that captures the attention. Once you're happy with the design, all I can do now is go to the share button. You can download as MP4, as GIF, or if you wanted to work this with a PDF or JPEG or PNG, you are welcome to do that. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.